Get started, I just added some clips to my timeline, and I'd like to add a background image other than the default black. Before you add your background, drag selected all your timeline clips you want in the background on and drag them up one track. This way, you'll have an empty track below to put your background image. Now, if you already have a background image imported, just drag it onto the empty track and drag its end so that installation matches the length of your clips. Alright, this works fine, but let's undo this in case you don't have an image and just wanna add a colored background to do this right. Click in the project panel and go to New Item Color Matte. You can just hit OK in the pop-up since the resolution should already match your timeline. Now simply use the color picker tool to find the color you like and press OK. Give your colored background a name. If you want, I'll just put blue background, and once you hit OK, you'll find your new background over in the project panel. From there, drag it onto your empty track below your other clips on the timeline and extended ion to match the length of your clips. Keep in mind that if you don't like the color, you can double-click the color matte clip on the timeline at any time to change it. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.